Hello everybody. Nothing like a crazy emergency to promote an educational video. So I want everybody to listen very, very closely who owns a bird. All right, this is the story. All birds, when their feathers come in, it's coming in from a follicle close to the base of the skin, if that makes any sense. Just like our hair grows out from a follicle. Those feathers, when they're coming in, they're called pin feathers or blood feathers. The reason they're called that is because, hi RJ, I know you had a major trauma. The reason they're called that is because when the feather's coming in, it is nourished to grow with blood. It's filled with blood. And it looks like this. So this right here is at the base of the bird. Where you going, RJ? No. Come here. No. You can't stand on there. That's the baby's thing. You're going to crush it. No. So, she probably doesn't want to see this. Anyway, so this is the base. And then the feather grows out straight. So, if that breaks or comes loose, if it breaks at some place, it is going to bleed like a faucet. The only way to stop that bleeding is to take either heavy-duty pliers or tweezers or your fingers, and from the base where the follicle is, you need to press tight and pull straight out, and it should come out. And once it comes out, it should stop bleeding. If it doesn't stop bleeding, you need to put pressure on the follicle base. But this happened to RJ this morning, and she took a flight in the dark, and she broke one of her blood feathers, and when I went in the room, the blood was pouring out of her like a faucet. If you don't know what to do and you don't keep calm and you don't know how to take care of it, it could mean the bird bleeding out. Sometimes it will clot on its own, sometimes it won't. But anyway, my heart is pounding a mile a minute because it just started bleeding again, and I found another blood feather that I just had to get out, which is here. And this has like a sheath. It's a protective sheath over it as the new feather is growing in. I hope this makes sense to you. I really do, because I'm not an expert. But I have had birds for a really long time, and I've had this happen a number of times, but this one was really bad. This one was really, really bad, and RJ looked like she was losing consciousness, so it was bad, but she's okay now, and I got all the bleeding stopped. But, oh my goodness, if you don't know what to do, you're just going to panic. So I'm hoping this video will give you an idea what to do. You just find the feather that is bleeding, and you go to the base of it with either a plier, a tweezer, or your fingers. Usually your fingers won't be strong enough. Sometimes if it's a tiny bird, a small bird, your fingers will be more than enough. But on a big bird like this, you're going to need tweezers or a plier to pull it out, and you just pull straight out the direction of the feather. All right, guys, I hope this helps. If this happens to someone else, as I said, I'm not an expert, but I just wanted to share this with you in case this happened and you panicked. At least you would have an idea what to do. All right, guys. RJ, say goodbye. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say apple? Can you say apple? No? You don't want to say anything? All right. Bye, guys.